Hello, everyone. Share how to use Apple's latest M4 Mac Mini as a NAS server. And through other devices, such as Mac or Windows computers. Cell phones such as Android or iOS devices can be used to connect remotely. First, turn on the M4 Mac Mini computer. Click on System Settings. Select Energy to turn on Wake Up for network service. Turn on Automatic Startup after power failure. Then search for File Shares on the left. Click on File Sharing. Open Sharing and click Settings. Allow access to the disk. Here you can set user permissions. Select the shared disk here. Set the username and password for the remote connection here. Set the server's domain name here. In this way, we can use the Mini local domain name to connect remotely. So far, it's set. Now to the other Mac. Click to visit. Go to Connect to Server. Enter the domain name to access. Enter username and password. You can access the Mac Mini's disk. To get to the Windows platform, search for a program that runs. Input / mini local. You can access the Mac Mini's disk. Coming to Apple's iOS devices. Note that you need to install the ES file browser in the App Store. Select Services, scroll down. You can see the Mac Mini server portal. Enter username and password. You can access the Mac Mini's disk. Coming to Android devices. Note that the File Manager application needs to be installed. Click Remote Storage. Select SMB Server. Input Mini local and username and password. You can access the Mac Mini's disk. Above, thank you for watching. Here is Lu Yu's technology blog.